In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple databases into one view in Notion. This is a fantastic feature that streamlines your productivity by centralizing all the information you need in one place. Imagine having all your crucial data just a glance away, organized and easy to access. Let's dive into it. First, head over to the page where you want your master view to be. This is essentially your dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're on that page, it's time to create a linked view of your first data source. In Notion, type the / key followed by linked view of data source. You'll see options pop up, and you need to choose the data source that you want to include in this master view. This step is crucial as it determines which specific database you will be connecting, so ensure you select the correct one. Now, it's not just about having one database. You may have multiple databases that you need to bring together. No problem. Simply repeat the same action for each additional database. Again, simply type /linked view of data source. Select the database you want and you're good to go. This will populate your master view with all the databases you need connected, making sure all your information is accessible. Now that you have all your databases linked, it's time to think about organization. On your page, decide how you want to present these databases. You have a couple of options here. You could arrange them side by side for a more comparative view, or you might prefer to stack them for a seamless scroll. Consider what makes the most sense for you based on your workflow and the nature of the information in your databases. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully linked multiple databases into one cohesive master view in Notion. It may seem simple at first glance, but the effectiveness and boost in productivity this setup can bring to your daily operations are incredible. By having everything in one place, you reduce the time spent switching between pages and can focus more on the task at hand. Remember, the goal is to make your workflow as efficient and effective as possible. Notion's versatility gives you the freedom to customize your workspace to fit your exact needs, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts or try new organizational structures. Each tweak is a step towards optimizing your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!